Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. For this lesson, we're going to discuss how to write the general equation of a hyperbola when the standard form is given. Before we transform an equation of hyperbola from standard form to its general form, let us familiarize the difference between these terms. So for the general form of the hyperbola, we are given an equation ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus f equals 0. Remember that for hyperbola, the coefficients a and b should not be equal to 0. While in the standard form, we are given an equation x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. We need these formulas to write general equations for a hyperbola when the standard form is given.
Over 9 is equals to 1 is in general form. The first thing that we need to do is to square the numerators. You are given the numerator x minus 3 and y minus 4. So let us first expand x minus 3, so this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9 over 4. Expand also the y minus 4, that becomes y squared minus 8y plus 16 over 9. 9 is equals to 1. So let's now find the LCD. The LCD of 4 and 9 is 36, so we need to multiply both sides or all the terms by 36. And we will now be having 36 times the first term, and that should be 36 over 4. 36 over 4 should be 9, and this becomes 9 times squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 36 times the second term. Therefore, this becomes divided by 9, and 36 over 9 will give us the answer of 4. Therefore, this becomes 4 times y squared minus 8y plus 16 is equals to 36 times 1, that is 36. So let us now try to simplify. Let us distribute all the coefficients or all the factors in the first term we have is 9. And this becomes 9x squared minus 54 plus 9, which is 81. Negative 4 times y squared, that is negative 4y squared. Negative 4 times negative 8, therefore that is positive 32y. Negative 4 times positive 16, that is negative 64, is now also 36. So let us try to use the general form ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus f equals to 0. So we have 9x squared, then we'll be having the negative 4x squared, and then minus 54x plus 32y, and then we add all the constants. Therefore, that is plus 81 minus 64. Transfer the 36 to this left side, that becomes negative 36, and then equate that to 0, adding all the constant. Therefore, we will be having this becomes 9x squared minus 4y squared minus 54x squared 32, adding all the constant. 81 minus 64 minus 36 will give us an answer of negative 19, and now it is equal to 0. So if you are now going to simplify our answer, it's gonna be 9x squared minus 4y squared minus 54x plus 32y negative 9 is equals to 0. It's equal to 0.
The second example is all about changing a standard equation to its general form. So from this example, we have y plus 1 squared over 9 minus x minus 2 squared over 16 equals 1. Step 1 is to expand the squares in the equation. Step 2, rewrite the whole equation from above and multiply the LCD to both sides of the equation. To find the LCD, we just have to multiply the denominator 9 and 16. Then we will come up with 144 as the LCD of the equation. After you multiply the LCD in the equation, we will have now, open parenthesis, 16y squared plus 32y plus 16 close parenthesis minus 9x squared minus 36x plus 36 close parenthesis equals 144. With this given equation, we will have to apply the application of subtracting polynomials by changing the signs of the subtrahend to proceed to the process of addition. And now, we will have 16y squared plus 32y plus 16 plus 9x squared plus 36x minus 36 equals 144. With all that process, we are now ready to continue the process of changing the standard equation to its general form. Transpose all the terms to the left side of the equation and perform the changing by following the general form of the hyperbola. Arrange all the terms with their corresponding exponents and degree to have 16y squared minus 9x squared plus 32y plus 36x plus 16 minus 36 minus 144. The next step is to combine all the like terms to come up with 16y squared minus 9x squared plus 32y plus 36x minus 164 equals 0. And get the final answer, which is 16y squared minus 9x squared plus 32y plus 36x minus 164 equals 0 as the general form of the equation.
The general form of hyperbola opens left and right is ax to the power of 2 minus by to the power of 2 plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. And for the hyperbola opens upward and downward is ay to the power of 2 minus bx to the power of 2 plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. We presented a sample problem in which we followed the correct pattern on how to write the general equation when the standard form is given. First, you must factor out the equation in order to make it the general form. Then, you should get the LCD of both terms and multiply it to the equation included. Included the number outside of the equation. After that, you multiply the number of LCD. You need to first check the sign of the second term. Until then, transpose the outside number of the equation in order to be included inside of the equation, and just equate it to 0. Lastly, after we equate to 0, we will arrange the term according to its exponent, which is from higher up to the lower exponent. And that's it. You will now have the general equation for the hyperbola. Thank you for watching, and I hope you gained a lot of knowledge on how to write the general equation when the standard form is given. Good day and God bless.